Many people over 50 believe retirement automatically brings peace. You work for decades, wake up early every morning, push through stressful jobs, pay bills, raise children, and keep telling yourself that one day life will finally become easier. And for most people, retirement becomes the finish line they hold on to emotionally for years. The moment where the pressure finally disappears. At least, that's what many people expect. But what happens when retirement doesn't feel peaceful at all? What happens when the years you imagine will feel relaxing suddenly begin to feel financially frightened instead? Because for millions of people over 50, retirement anxiety is becoming more common than retirement freedom. Some people discover their savings simply aren't enough anymore. Others begin realizing how expensive aging actually becomes. Healthcare costs rise, inflation slowly eats away at fixed income, unexpected emergencies appear out of nowhere. And suddenly, the peace people spend decades waiting for start turning into quiet financial pressure. What makes this even harder is that many people never talk openly about it. Because after a certain age, people often feel embarrassed admitting they still worry about money. Especially after working their entire lives. But the truth is, retirement doesn't automatically solve financial problems. In many cases, it simply reveals the financial habits people carried for decades without noticing. And sometimes, the biggest danger isn't overspending. It is underestimating how long life can actually last. Many people prepare financially for retirement without emotionally preparing for what retirement truly feels like day after day. Because after decades of structure, deadlines, routines, and responsibilities, too much free time can feel surprisingly unsettling. Some retirees even begin spending money emotionally, trying to recreate excitement, purpose, or comfort. And little by little, those small decisions begin affecting long-term financial security. The difficult part is that financial mistakes after 50 becomes much harder to recover from. At 25, people have time. At 35, people still have energy. But after 50, time starts becoming more valuable than money itself. And that's why understanding these financial realities matters so much. Because retirement should feel like freedom, not silent panic hidden behind smiles. And the good news is, many financial problems people face later in life can still be improved once they are recognized earlier enough. But first, people have to stop pretending retirement automatically guarantees peace.